2016 Ford Fiesta with the 1.6 engine. Today we're going to be replacing the spark plugs. Let's get to it. And on this vehicle we have 4 spark plugs located right here, here, and here. This being cylinder 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we're just going to go ahead. I'm going to pull up on our spark plug wires and lay them gently aside. And it's really good if you can come in here and get most of these leaves out. I don't know, I'm guessing they park under a tree or something, or they probably have squirrels trying to make a nest up here. Go ahead and pull these out. And we're going to lay all of these aside and out of the way. I'm just going to gently come in here and try to get the majority of these leaves out without dropping anything down any of the spark plug valley holes. Anyway, next we're going to go ahead and grab our 5/8 deep socket and attach it to a 6-inch extension. Go ahead and put that down in there. And break that loose. Let's come in here with a magnet and get our old spark plugs out. We can go ahead and put our new spark plugs in. We're of course going to be using the Motorcrafts Sierra Papa 525X. I don't know. It has an X there and not an X there. I don't know. It's one of those. You guys will figure it out. I believe in you. And when we're inserting our spark plugs, you want to go ahead and use your index finger to guide it down into the valley. You don't want to just drop these things in there, because you could end up closing that gap. And closing that gap even a little bit could end up causing a misfire. So just gently let your index finger guide that down. And with the 4 new spark plugs installed, we can go ahead and start putting our spark plug wires back in place, making sure that they all pop down onto that new spark plug. And that's pretty much all there is to replacing the spark plugs on this vehicle. If you'd like to see more videos on this Fiesta, go ahead and check out that video next. I made that one just for you. And if you haven't done so, go ahead and hit that subscribe right down there in the button. There are going to be a lot more videos on this vehicle coming out very shortly, so make sure you're subscribed. Until next time.